First thing we're gonna do is butter a loaf pan very generously. I'm also preheating an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176 centigrade. I have 4 eggs here and they are room temperature. As always, the recipe for this will be in the description box with grams. That's good. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of lemon zest, half a cup of honey, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, I have 1.5 cups of almond flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in here. We're just gonna mix this. We're not gonna over mix. I am going to put this in the oven and check it in 25 minutes and we'll see how it's doing. This loaf was in the oven for 25 minutes. It was beautiful and then it sunk in the middle. So we're gonna let it cool down in this pan for about 10 minutes and then flip it over. You know what I love? I love how sticky the bottom of this is. Look at that, yum. Wow. This is a delicate cake. Wow. It tastes incredible. Thank you for watching the video, guys. I'm gonna see you soon.